We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we got the CJRB, I get that confused all the time, which is a entry-level brand of artisan cutlery. It's the Barranca. We have it in G10 as well as the copper Barranca. They are all D2 knives, manual flippers with a Wharncliffe style blade. Let's go ahead and show you a close-up here of this one. Let's go over some specs as we show them to you. This has a 3.72 inch Wharncliffe D2 style blade, stone washed, with a flat grind. It is a manual flipper. Can easily do it with one hand. Comes in gray, green, black, and of course the copper. They are 8.5 inches overall. They have a G10 back spacer. They are reversible, tip-up carry. They have the brass pivot cap, or pivot collar, I guess is a better word. They have a ceramic ball bearing for their pivot. Stainless steel pocket clip. Closed, they're 4.78 inches overall, so almost 5. Blade is a standard 0.13 inch. So let's go ahead and show you how these cut. Oh, they weigh in at about just under 6 ounces, about 5.5, except for the copper. And of course, you can see it's going to weigh about 8.1 ounce. It also has a copper back spacer. Very smooth opening knives. I imagine they're going to cut nicely too. But let's just see. We'll bring over some paracord. As expected, no fraying, smooth cut, effortlessly. Same thing on the pullback, as you can see there. We have some cardboard, because we're cardboard warriors here. Now this one doesn't have any jimping, but I really like this style of blade. I don't know if you can see it here or not. It has a dip. It really holds your thumb. I mean, you can't get your thumb past that point, or you're just way overreaching. And your finger nicely, so when you want to do a precision cut, really like this style of knife when it comes to precision cutting. It's always been my favorite because it cuts so nicely. And of course, being that it is D2, it should be easy to take care of, easy to clean, easy to keep from rusting. As you can see, it does well in the spear cutting, even though it has this blunt section here. It is tapered, which forces it right on through the, what do you call it? As it comes through here, it forces it right on through the cardboard. Really like that part. Extremely sharp. So once again, this is the CJRB Barranca. Comes in 4 different styles. It's only $38.84. Excellent price for a D2 folding knife. And of course we do free shipping all the time. Got a little glue from the tape. Don't like tape on the knife. We do free shipping all the time, so $38.84 is $38.84. On that note, if you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do weekly giveaways. We do posts of specs on knives, pictures of knives, and we also do it on YouTube. So if you're watching there, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show that is informative and hilarious, if I say so myself. And we also do giveaways there every week. And we plan to keep doing that. So on that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.